Each trial will move through the following steps. Opening statement. Each party may give a brief summary of the evidence they intend to introduce during the trial and what they want the court to do in response to their petition. Direct examination. Each party can testify on their own behalf. They can also ask witnesses to testify. For each witness called, the party must ask the witness questions that prompt them to provide information that will help the judge make a final decision about the petition. Please note that a witness cannot give a summary. They can only provide testimony in response to a question. Cross-examination. Once the witness testifies, the opposing party may ask the witness questions about the testimony that they gave. Closing argument. After each party presents evidence, they may give a brief summary of the evidence they presented and how they want the court to rule on the petition. Court order. After hearing all the evidence, the judge will make a final decision in most cases at the end of the trial. Parties, therefore, must bring all documents and witnesses that they want the judge to consider to trial. All parties, regardless of whether they appear with an attorney or represent themselves, shall abide by courtroom procedures and the rules of evidence when providing the court with documents and witnesses. Any documents submitted will be returned at the end of the trial. Finally, the judge cannot give legal advice or help you present your case. Please consult an attorney with questions about the law, what evidence to present, and how to present that evidence. The information provided in this video is not intended to be legal advice and should not be relied upon for that purpose. You are strongly encouraged to speak with an attorney so that legal proceedings and the effect of legal documents and orders can be explained. For additional questions and information, please consult the Self-Help Resource Center located in the Fairfax County Courthouse Law Library on the first floor of the court complex.